Now today we are talking about Palm Royale Hotel Soma Bay, Hurghada, Egypt. Welcome to Palm Royale Soma Bay, idyllically situated at the coast of the Red Sea, with close-up views of the crystal clear water of the Red Sea. The resort boasts safety, security, privacy, and exclusivity. The two adjoined engulfed bays offer a perfect atmosphere to the liking of each individual. The resort's surroundings offer an idyllic outdoor beachfront haven for families, friends, couples, or single. The resort is featured by 2,300 swaying palm trees, 70,000 square meters of tailor-crafted landscape gardens, and a private pristine beach stretching 1 kilometer. The private beach and swimming pools provide refreshments during the day. Guests can also play tennis, warm up in the hot tub, or play billiards with a drink from the pool bar. The swimming pool is available at the health club. The resort attributed one common point to its abundance of outlets, high gastronomy quality, in addition to attentive and personal service. "445 luxuriously superior, appointed rooms and suites enjoy breathtaking sea views in addition to the elaborately tailored amenities that represent a deluxe resort property." The resort offers a multitude of room and suite categories, starting with the superior rooms to the swim-up rooms, the sea view rooms, the beachfront rooms, the club rooms, the family rooms, followed by the junior suites, executive suites, panorama suites, and presidential suites to the ultimate comfort of the Royale Suites. Every room is equipped with a private terrace or balcony, coffee and tea making facilities, an individually controlled air conditioner, a minibar, multi-line telephones with speaker and voicemail messaging, hair dryer. Enclosed by the transparent waters of the upscale Soma Bay in the Red Sea, provided with natural protection from currents, a tempered climate with mild summers and winters, and all year-round sunshine with perfect wind conditions. The resort offers uninterrupted recreation with a variety of activities daily, ranging from extreme water sports like kite surfing, windsurfing, diving into reefs of unique beauty, tennis sessions, desert safaris. The hotel has Asiana, Greek, Italian, and Lebanese restaurants offering tasteful a la carte menus and a limited number of visits according to the length of the stay. Guests can also enjoy Egyptian cuisine in a stylish setting with stained glass windows and belly dance music. The extensive variety of food and beverage facilities comprises 13 international bars and restaurants, offering the highest level of service and food through the traditional to the exclusive chef's menus. Palm Royale Soma Bay offers perfect venues for meeting up with families, friends, or clients for a memorable dining experience. resulting of the specific characteristics of the location. Each establishment creates a unique atmosphere favorable to relaxation and a sense of welfare. Palm Royale Soma Bay, open the doors to treat your senses in a peaceful, inspirational, and relaxing place. The wellness areas include an enclosed and heated swimming pool, sauna plunge pool, massage treatment rooms, sauna, jacuzzi, and steam bath, massages, facials, and body treatments on a natural essential oil basis, as well as personalized wise wellness programs are waiting to revive you. The Health Club consists of an outdoor and heated swimming pool for adults only, plunge pool, 10 treatment rooms, massages, a sauna, jacuzzi, steam baths, gymnasium, and a well-equipped fitness room providing the latest American cardio and heavy machines. Including personalized journeys to help you relax, restore or target specific areas of concern. Discover the power of a healing touch from our skilled therapists and attain the quintessential body and mind balance. Experience effective and immediate relaxation with our 60-minute Zen massage, relieving all stress-related tension.